The object of producing draught in a boiler is A. To provide an adequate supply of air for the fuel combustion. B. To exhaust the gases of combustion from the combustion chamber. C. To discharge the gases of combustion to the atmosphere through the chimney. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a glass tube type water indicator for a boiler, one end of the tube is connected to water space and the other end is connected to A. Water space also. B. Chimney. C. Steam space. D. Superheater. The correct answer is steam space. In water tube boilers, A. Water passes through the tubes which are surrounded by flames and hot gases. B. The flames and hot gases pass through the tubes which are surrounded by water. C. Forced circulation takes place. D. None of these. The correct answer is water passes through the tubes which are surrounded by flames and hot gases. Which of the following statement is wrong? A. Locomotive boiler is a water tube boiler. B. Water tube boilers are internally fired. C. Lamont boiler is a low-pressure water tube boiler. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A grate in a boiler is a place in the combustion chamber upon which fuel, wood or coal is burnt. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Low-filler boiler is a water tube boiler using a forced circulation of water. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Lamont boiler is a high-pressure water tube steam boiler working on forced circulation. A. Agree. B. Disagree. C. D. The correct answer is agree. The function of a connecting rod is not to convert reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Which of the following statement is correct for a compound steam engine? A. The cost of the engine for the same power and economy is more than that of a simple steam engine. B. The forces in the working parts are increased as the forces are distributed over more parts. C. The ratio of expansion is reduced, thus reducing the length of stroke. D. The temperature range per cylinder is increased with corresponding increase in condensation. The correct answer is the ratio of expansion is reduced, thus reducing the length of stroke. When the speed of the crankshaft is between 100 rpm and 250 rpm, the engine said to be A. Slow-speed engine. B. Medium-speed steam engine. C. High-speed steam engine. D. None of these. The correct answer is medium-speed steam engine. The natural draught is produced by A. Steam jet. B. Centrifugal fan. C. Chimney. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is chimney. Williams' line for the steam engine is a straight line relationship between the steam consumption per hour and A. Indicated power. B. Brake power. C. Efficiency. D. Pressure of steam. The correct answer is indicated power. The temperature of condensate is on leaving the condenser than that of circulating water at inlet. A. Higher. B. Lower. C. D. The correct answer is higher. A draught produced by a chimney due to the difference of densities between the hot gases inside the chimney and cold atmospheric air outside it is called natural draught. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. Which of the following statement is correct? A fire tube boiler occupies less space than a water tube boiler for a given power. B. Steam at a high pressure and in large quantities can be produced with a simple vertical boiler. C. A simple vertical boiler has one fire tube. D. All of the above. The correct answer is a simple vertical boiler has one fire tube. A device used to increase the temperature of saturated steam without raising its pressure is called A. Blow-off cork. B. Fusible plug. C. Superheater. D. Stop valve. The correct answer is superheater. The diameter of flue tube in a Cornish boiler is that of the shell. A. 1/4. B. 1/3. C. 2/5. D. 3/5. The correct answer is 3/5. An economizer. The steam raising capacity of a boiler A. increases. B. decreases. C. has no effect on. D. The correct answer is increases. Fire tube boilers are A. internally fired. B. externally fired. C. internally as well as externally fired. D. none of these. The correct answer is internally fired. A safety valve usually employed with stationary boilers is A. lever safety valve. B. deadweight safety valve. C. high steam and low water safety valve. D. all of these. The correct answer is all of these. The draught produced by a steam jet issuing from a nozzle placed in the ashpit under the fire grate of the furnace is called A. induced steam jet draught. B. chimney draught. C. forced steam jet draught. D. none of these. The correct answer is forced steam jet draught. Which of the following statement is wrong? A. the factor of evaporation for all boilers is always greater than unity. B. the amount of water evaporated in kg per kg of fuel burnt is called equivalent evaporation from and at 100 C. C. the ratio of heat actually used in producing the steam to the heat liberated in the furnace is called boiler efficiency. D. none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. The function of a crosshead is to guide motion of the and to prevent it from bending. A. piston rod. B. connecting rod. C. eccentric rod. D. valve rod. The correct answer is piston rod. The cylinder dimensions of a compound engine may be designed on the basis of A. equal power developed in each cylinder for uniform turning moment. B. equal initial piston loads on all pistons for obtaining same size of piston rod, connecting rod, etc. for all cylinders. C. equal temperature drop in each cylinder for economy of steam. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The function of a piston rod is A. to guide motion of the piston rod and to prevent it from bending. B. to transfer motion from the piston to the crosshead. C. to convert heat energy of the steam into mechanical work. D. to exhaust steam from the cylinder at proper moment. The correct answer is to transfer motion from the piston to the crosshead. An air preheater is installed. A. before the economizer. B. before the superheater. C. between the economizer and chimney. D. none of these. The correct answer is between the economizer and chimney. The length of shell of a locomotive boiler is A. 1 m. B. 2 m. C. 3 m. D. 4 m. The correct answer is 4 m. The effect of wire drawing is to decrease the area of indicator diagram and thus work done by the engine is reduced. A. agree. B. disagree. C. D. The correct answer is agree. In a uniflow engine, A. steam enters and exhausts through the same port. B. steam enters at one end and exhausts at the center. C. steam enters at the center and exhausts at the other end. D. none of the above. The correct answer is Steam enters at one end and exhausts at the center. The shell diameter of a locomotive boiler is A1 m, B 1.5 m, C 2 m, D 2.5 m. The correct answer is 1.5 m. The fire tubes in a Scotch marine boiler are A horizontal, B vertical, C inclined, D. The correct answer is horizontal. In a reciprocating steam engine, the heat energy in the steam is converted into mechanical work by the to and fro motion of the piston. A agree, B disagree, C, D. The correct answer is agree. The power of a boiler may be defined as A. The ratio of heat actually used in producing the steam to the heat liberated in the furnace. B. The amount of water evaporated or steam produced in kg per kg of fuel burnt. C. The amount of water evaporated from and at 100 C into dry and saturated steam. D. The evaporation of 15.653 kilograms of water per hour from and at 100 C. The correct answer is the amount of water evaporated or steam produced in kg per kg of fuel burnt. When the circulation of water in a boiler is by a centrifugal pump, then the boiler is known as A. Internally fired boiler, B. Externally fired boiler, C. Natural circulation boiler, D. Forced circulation boiler. The correct answer is forced circulation boiler. The function of a safety valve is A. To blow off steam when the pressure of steam inside the boiler exceeds the working pressure, B. To indicate the water level inside the boiler to an observer, C. To measure pressure of steam inside the steam boiler, D. None of the above. The correct answer is to blow off steam when the pressure of steam inside the boiler exceeds the working pressure. The fire tubes in a Cochrane boiler are A. Horizontal, B. Vertical, C. Inclined, D. The correct answer is horizontal. A double-acting steam engine with a cylinder diameter of 190 mm and a stroke of 300 mm has a cutoff of 0.35. The expansion ratio for this engine is nearly A. 1.05, B. 2.86, C. 6.65, D. 10.05. The correct answer is 2.86. The aim of a compound steam engine is A. To reduce the ratio of expansion in each cylinder, B. To reduce the length of stroke, C. To reduce the temperature range in each cylinder, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The average operating pressure of Bunsen boiler is A. 100 bar, B. 150 bar, C. 200 bar, D. 250 bar. The correct answer is 250 bar. The diameter of Cornish boiler varies from A. 0.5 to 1 m, B. 1 to 2 m, C. 1.25 to 2.5 m, D. 2 to 3 m. The correct answer is 1 to 2 m. A single-acting steam engine produces power than that of double-acting steam engine. A equal, B half, C double, D 4 times. The correct answer is half. The pressure of steam in the engine cylinder at the beginning of the stroke is the boiler pressure. A equal to, B less than, C higher than, D. The correct answer is less than. The function of a flywheel is A. To convert reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion, B. To convert rotary motion of the crankshaft into to and fro motion of the valve rod, C. To prevent fluctuation of speed, D. To keep the engine speed uniform at all load conditions. The correct answer is To prevent fluctuation of speed. The rate of steam produced in Bunsen boiler is A. 100 tons h. B. 135 tons h. C. 175 tons h. D. 250 tons h. The correct answer is 135 tons h. In natural circulation steam boilers, the circulation of water is by convection currents which are set up during the heating of water. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. C. D. The correct answer is correct. Cut-off governing of steam engines is a method of controlling the engine output by varying A. Volume of intake steam. B. Pressure of intake steam. C. Temperature of intake steam. D. All of these. The correct answer is volume of intake steam. In a boiler feed, water supplied per hour is 205 kilograms, while coal-fired per hour is 23 kilograms. The net enthalpy rise per kg of water is 145 kg. If the calorific valve of the coal is 2050 kg, then the boiler efficiency will be A. 56, B. 63, C. 74, D. 78. The correct answer is 63. A safety valve mainly used with locomotive and marine boilers is A. Lever safety valve. B. Deadweight safety valve. C. High steam and low water safety valve. D. Spring-loaded safety valve. The correct answer is spring-loaded safety valve. Which of the following boiler is best suited to meet the fluctuating demand of steam? A. Locomotive boiler. B. Lancashire boiler. C. Cornish boiler. D. Babcock and Wilcox boiler. The correct answer is locomotive boiler. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Lancashire boiler is a fire tube boiler. B. Fire tube boilers are internally fired. C. Babcock and Wilcox boiler is a water tube boiler. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.